The purpose of a FAQ is generally to provide information on frequent questions or concerns. However, the format is a useful means of organizing information, and text consisting of questions and their answers may thus be called a FAQ regardless of whether the questions are actually frequently asked. A room is a conversation feature within groups on the Mighty. It functions similarly to direct messages, but a room can include multiple members of a group. In our program, FAQRoom is FAQ in a room, i.e., frequently asked questions and answers in a room. Frequently asked questions from various levels and multidisciplinary engineering groups passed to room expert Mrs. Clara right side of the screen by Mrs. Flora on left side of the screen in several sessions, and Clara gives answers to those questions on behalf of Flora. The experts and the session manager may change from session to session. The rooms may change, the discipline of engineering may change at any session. I think Clara gives proper answers to the questions passed by Flora. Viewers also requested to engage to provide much better answer to the questions in comments, review, give feedback. Viewers also contribute to ask questions and may provide answers in the comments. Okay, let us start the season with Clara and Flora in FAQ Room.
What is highway engineering? Highway engineering is branching from civil engineering that involves the planning, design, construction, operation, and maintenance of roads, bridges, and tunnels to ensure safe and effective transportation of people and goods. What is highway geometric design?
The geometric design of roads is the branch of highway engineering concerned with the positioning of the physical elements of the roadway according to standards and constraints. The basic objectives in geometric design are to optimize efficiency and safety while minimizing cost and environmental damage. Geometric design also affects an emerging fifth objective called livability, which is defined as designing roads to foster broader community goals, including providing access to employment, schools, businesses, and residences, accommodate a range of travel modes such as walking, bicycling, transit, and automobiles, and minimizing fuel use, emissions, and environmental damage. Furthermore, geometric roadway design can be broken into three main parts: alignment, profile, and cross-section. Combined, they provide a three-dimensional layout for a roadway. 1. Horizontal alignment or plan. The alignment is the route of the road, defined as a series of horizontal tangents and curves. 2. Vertical alignment or profile. The profile is the vertical aspect of the road, including crest and sag curves, and the straight grade lines connecting them. 3. Cross-sections along alignment at specific intervals. The cross-section shows the position and number of vehicle and bicycle lanes and sidewalks, along with their cross-slope or banking. Cross-sections also show drainage features, pavement structure, and other items outside the category of geometric design.
What is building design?
Building design refers to the broadly based architectural, engineering, and technical applications to the design of buildings. All building projects require the services of a building designer, typically a licensed architect. Smaller, less complicated projects often do not require a licensed professional, and the design of such projects is often undertaken by building designers, draftspersons, interior designers for interior fit-outs or renovations, or contractors. Larger, more complex building projects require the services of many professionals trained in specialist disciplines, usually coordinated by an architect.
What is architecture?
Architecture, the art and technique of designing and building, as distinguished from the skills associated with construction. The practice of architecture is employed to fulfill both practical and expressive requirements, and thus it serves both utilitarian and aesthetic ends.
What is architecture design? Architectural design is a discipline that focuses on covering and meeting the needs and demands to create living spaces, using certain tools and especially creativity. Therefore, the aim is to combine the technological and the aesthetic, despite the general belief that architecture is only a technological task. In the same way, it mixes design, understood as the creative process, and architecture, which is based on the creation and presentation of solutions at a technical level. Although the term design has a broad meaning, it usually refers to the combination of the creative and technical part, setting the basis of a project or an idea. Therefore, architectural design is considered the basis and the first phase before bringing the idea to reality. Under this lines, you will discover more about what architectural design is, its different types and some helpful examples. What is structure in civil engineering?
A structure, as it relates to civil engineering, is a system of interconnected members used to support external loads. Structural analysis is the prediction of the response of structures to specified arbitrary external loads. The basic components of a building structure are the foundation, floors, walls, beams, columns, roof, stair, etc. These elements serve the purpose of supporting, enclosing, and protecting the building structure.
What is structural design?
Structural design is a method or tool by which we find out safe and economical specifications of a structure or a member of the structure sufficient to carry the load. In other words, finding out cross-sectional dimension, grade of material, amount of reinforcement, etc. necessary to withstand the internal forces that we have got from structural analysis.
What is building and structure?
The building is a kind of structure which is built with materials and including with foundation, plinth, walls, floors, roofs, chimneys, plumbing, and building services, fixed platforms, veranda, balcony, cornice, or projection, part of a building or anything affixed thereto or any wall enclosing or intended to enclose.
What is roads and highways?
A road is a long piece of hard ground which is built between two places so that people can drive or ride easily from one place to the other. A highway is a busy road with many lanes. Highways are usually the quickest route for driving between one city and another. Highways were originally built to connect cities and towns, and since they're wide and have high speed limits, they decrease the travel time.
What is the difference between road and highway?
In modern usage, the term road describes a rural, lesser traveled way, while the word street denotes an urban roadway. Highway refers to a major rural traveled way. More recently it has been used for a road, in either a rural or urban area, where points of entrance and exit for traffic are limited and controlled.
What is a building in civil engineering?
The term building in civil engineering means a structure having various components like foundations, walls, columns, floors, roofs, doors, windows, ventilators, stairs, lifts, multiple types of surface finishes, etc.
What is construction in civil engineering?
Civil construction is a branch of civil engineering that involves the actual construction and maintenance of civil engineering projects. Civil construction projects involve a large number of resources, including financial resources, equipment, and human capital to complete.
What is infrastructure in civil engineering?
The basic systems and services, such as transport and power supplies, that a country or organization uses in order to work effectively. Infrastructure is the support system of industrial and agricultural production, and foreign and domestic businesses. It is the basic organizational and physical structure that is required to run a business smoothly. In an organization or for a country, a basic infrastructure includes communication and transportation, sewage, water, education system, health system, clean drinking water, and monetary system. A country's economic and social development is directly dependent on a country's infrastructure. Many developed countries make a lot of progress because of the enormous growth of economic and social infrastructures. A good infrastructure makes the work process easier, resulting in a positive and high productivity.
What is a house and a home?
House refers to a building in which someone lives. In contrast, a home can refer either to a building or to any location that a person thinks of as the place where she lives and that belongs to her. A home can be a house or an apartment, but it could also be a tent, a boat, or an underground cave. Hi, I am Clara. I will give all answers to Flora's collective frequently asked questions in every session, whatever the questions related to discipline of engineering. Viewers also contribute to ask questions and may provide answers in the comments.
Hi, I am Flora collecting questions from various disciplines of engineering and passes to Clara to provide proper answers. Viewers also requested to engage to provide much better answer to the questions in comments for review and feedback.
Thank you for watching the session. Please check and watch next season when published. Click the button for bell icon for notifications. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my AI channel through which the FAQ Room is publishing. Please follow and support my channel. AI YouTube channel viewers also requested to engage to provide much better answer to the questions and comments for review and feedback of sessions, and viewers also requested to contribute to ask questions and may provide answers in the comments box. Thanks for Clara and Flora. Keep watching. Thank you very much. FAQ Room Sessions AI YouTube channel.